Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Steam account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Steam account on your computer, first you will be required to log into your account. As over here you can see guys, on the Steam software I have logged into my account over here, and in order to log out of your account you will be required to click on your username at the top right corner of your screen, just like I did over here. Click on that, and over here guys there is the sign out of account button available over here, or you can just click on the Steam button at the top left corner of the screen. Click over there, and there is the sign out button available for us just below the change account. Either ways, click over there, and you can see guys the confirm button is available for us. Click on that confirm button, and then you will be signed out of your Steam account on your computer. And there guys, this is how you sign out of a Steam account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.